Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to see your download speed for your Nintendo Switch. So if you want to see the download and the upload, let's go to System Settings right here. Scroll on down to Internet, and then you can go to Test Connection right here. And then it's going to load this page, and it's going to take about 15 seconds for it to finally get everything for the download speed and the upload speed. So you can see I'm connected to 5G right now, and I got 54 for my download and 15 for my upload. So I can back out now, and I am successfully connected. Everything's working, so you can kind of get an estimate of how your internet is. So my upload speed was fine, but my download speed was kind of slow. And hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.